Hello and welcome to my channel, Oh What's Cooking. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today I'm going to tell you how I save money on my grocery bill. Do you spend too much money on groceries? Keep watching to learn how I went from spending $1,600 a month to just $600 on groceries for a family of 4. I know that is still a lot, but we live in a high-cost area. Take these easy steps and you can save money on your grocery bill. Step 1 is meal plan. This is one of the most important steps. Before I started doing this, I used to buy groceries 5 days a week and figure out what to make for dinner while walking up and down grocery aisles. I would end up spending $50+ every single shopping trip. Now I plan out all the meals for the week. That way I can use the same ingredients more than once. Sometimes a recipe calls for half of something and the other half isn't getting used and just goes in the trash. There are many different ways to meal plan. You can have designated days for certain themes. For example, Monday could be Mexican, Tuesday Italian, Wednesday soup. You get the idea. You can even designate a takeout night or a freezer meal night. Step 2. Use what you already have in your fridge and pantry. Before your meal plan, take a look at what you have and make a meal plan based on those ingredients first. Step 3. Order groceries online. Many stores offer free pickup for groceries. There are several benefits to ordering groceries online. The first and most important one is you only order what you need, and you will not be tempted to add extra items to your cart. Second is you will save time by not having to go inside the grocery store, shop, and wait in line to pay. With pickup option, you drive up and the groceries get brought out to you. If you want to spend even less time on grocery shopping, you can get them delivered. It comes with an added cost, but if you can work it in your budget, it's a great option. Also, a lot of the stores will let you clip coupons online to get some extra savings. I try to spend $100 on groceries a week. If I see something that's on sale for a really good price, I will buy extra. A lot of things can be frozen to extend the shelf life. If I go over on my budget 1 week because I stocked up on something, I will make sure to adjust my budget for the following week. I try to spend $400 a month on groceries and have $200 in reserve for my Amazon Subscribe and Save. I use that for household goods, things like trash bags, toilet paper, and diapers. I get them delivered monthly or bi-monthly depending on how often we need them. Subscribe and Save gives you an extra 5 to 15% off on items. Step 4. Meal prep and make extra portions for freezer for later. This is one of my favorite steps. I have 2 small kids and one of them being a super picky eater. My husband and I try to eat low carb. That means no rice, no pasta, no bread. That's not how my kids eat. I cook one meal for my husband and I while making another meal for my oldest and something else for the baby. That's a lot of cooking. I find it easiest to bulk cook and prep on the day I pick up my groceries. I also make extra portions for the freezer to use on super busy nights. When I meal prep, I make a list of all the meals I will cook and prep things in batches. If I need onions for 3 separate meals, I will cut all the onions at once and set them aside to use at different times. Another tip to make meal prep easier is to use all the cooking equipment you have. I will put one meal in the oven, something in my Instapot, and cook another meal on the stove. I also like to clean as I go, that way when I'm done, the kitchen is not a total disaster. By following these easy steps, I was able to save $1,000 a month on my grocery bill. Give it a try and you will be amazed at how easy it is to do. I find that not only did this help me cut down on my grocery bill, but I also spent less time in the kitchen and more time with my family. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time.